Light Finance.
Hello, it's Monday, December 25th, and it is time to start the market forecast for the last week of this 2023 year, which will be a very short one due to holidays. So let's begin. Monday and Tuesday will be with a low liquidity, and the first proper trading day we will get on Wednesday, but still the first important macro data will be published on Thursday, namely crude oil inventories. On Friday again, in UK for example, the stock market will close earlier than usual, so we could say there is not much to expect from the markets. The biggest moves after Fed has been made, and I would not expect any fireworks, but you never know. Lower liquidity can cause some of algos to rampage, maybe, so you need to be very cautious during the next couple of days. Now we will summarize fundamentals and prepare a trading plan for one asset, which this time is silver, namely XAG-USD in our trading platforms. So the XAG-USD's lagging performance in 2020 to 2023 compared with the XAU-USD is due to the pandemic. At the peak of COVID-19, industrial production almost stopped, which made the gold-silver ratio soar to 125. It has since been recovering and returning to pre-pandemic levels, which will change market game rules in 2024, along with the growing demand for the white metal. I believe silver will outperform gold in 2 out of 3 scenarios, amid a soft landing or economic growth in the US. Industry recovery will result in the XAG-USD's overperformance against the XAU-USD. The two metals will likely be affected only if a recession occurs. Expectations of a federal funds rate cut in 2024 are currently the main factor in the rally of the sector's assets. They will reduce the ETF storage costs and increase capital inflows, just like a decrease in the investment appeal of the US Treasury bonds as the yield declines. So in my opinion, silver is an interesting alternative to gold. Investors count on the US economy's soft landing, which will benefit both metals. Silver can rise to $29 an ounce. My advice is to buy. The acceleration of the US GDP will increase the risk of a new inflation peak and push the Fed to resume monetary restrictions. That will strengthen the dollar and drop the XAU-USD and the XAG-USD. However, silver will be falling slower as the industry is recovering. At the same time, we can sell it on growth to 25.55 and 26.4 an ounce. Finally, the two metals could fall into a disgrace if the US dollar reclaims its safe haven currency status amid a recession, but they will exploit the Fed's monetary stimulus. So wait for silver to drop to $23 and $22.1 and then go long. So that would be all for this last video in this 2023 year. I will end it with the best wishes for you to be persistent in your trading journey, keen to learn new things, take some time to rest and spend it with your family, and have a blast during celebration to go with a fresh mind into a new year. So take care, guys.